Today we are installing Hoff Solutions, which is going to be a privacy fence. So I've already installed the left side and the right side. Now I got to install the middle. So if you look in the middle here, you can see there's two grooves. So the end ones obviously only have one to accept it on the one side. So if you're going to do multiple panels, make sure you get a middle one so that way it comes in on both sides. The way we're attaching them is these headlocks because they're black. So there isn't a bottom skirt around the bottom, which I kind of truthfully don't like. I think it'd be a little bit cleaner if there was a skirt around the bottom. Obviously they're already installed, but maybe on the next time we use these, we'll actually mount them directly to the deck and then put the deck board around it. So it's a little bit more of a cleaner look. But anyways, so now I'm gonna install the middle one. So if you look down there, there's this green mark. I use this chalk shot. This is great to get inside of areas. So basically it just shoots chalk. So if you're marking things on a wall, whatever, not a sponsored plug, but I do love this stuff. So this is the bottom piece that slides in, and then the first deck board sits on top of that. But obviously it's going to go on the left, the left, and the right. So a total of 4. Allen wrenches. The bigger one is for the 4 screws that go into the base, into the post, and the smaller one is for this. Alright, so we did the one behind the camera, and these are what separates the boards, but the ones behind the camera I guess are like plastic clips. These appears to be aluminum, but they put plastic on all of these. So now we're gonna have to sit here for an hour to scrape all this off. So another terrible idea on their part. And these are completely hidden, so nobody even sees them. So if they got scratched up, it's not the end of the world. But all right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the first board in, and then put this on the left and the right side, and then repeat the process all the way out. Alright, so next step is gonna bang this down. So what I do is I put my hand behind it and bang it down so that way these are flush.
side.
I know. Here, Diego, help him. You got enough cut, right?
No sé, pero yo no me sé qué tiene que hacer. Hay que hacer eso si quieres.
You need mi casa.
Huh?
Sit in the shade under mi casa. How do you say tent in Spanish?
Toldo.
Todo.
Tol.
Todo.
No, toldo.
Todo. So 10 total or close.
Más o menos.
Más o menos. And that's how simple it is. So you just measure one time, cut the same size board all the way up, put the spacers in between. Now we're ready for the top. So nose cap, which is going to be 900 degrees because it's sitting out in the sun. Gets very hot.